Today's the 13th. Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Tuesday, July 13th, and this is a public hearing of the Housing Opportunities Commission of Montgomery County. Today, we are going to discuss some revisions to the administrative plan, specifically to the chapter on housing voucher program. And we will be hearing today from one of the staff persons, and these are changes to the plan that were discussed last May, and the administrative committee have been through a public notice process in which we had public notices available in both the Washington Post and in Hispanic Washington. So we had posts in English and Spanish available for the 30-day notice for public comment. And with that, I would like to turn the meeting over to members of the staff who will present the changes to us.
Good afternoon, Commissioner. My name is Katie Paul, Assistant Director of Housing Resources Division. Today, HOC staff proposes changes to 4 chapters of the administrative plan. As policies and procedures change and the demands of affordable housing increases, HOC reviews the administrative plan regularly to ensure adequate serving of our customers. These changes are in accordance to HUD's regulations and requirements and covers specific policies, including wait list preferences, voucher issuances, and special housing. Chapter 4 details the administrative wait list and the 6 preferences. Staff proposes an amendment to the first preference to include forced displacement of families resulting from fire, flood, or natural disaster. Previously, this included displacement of families from a state or county redevelopment project or changes in the nature of a project that was part of the county for maintaining affordable housing. Chapter 7 details the verification process used to determine program eligibility, including verification income. Staff proposed that self-employed individuals must certify that a minimum of 51% of their business is conducted within Montgomery County. In determining program eligibility, we find that it is important to provide clarity to staff and self-employed individuals to meet program requirements. Chapter 8 details the voucher issuance process. Staff proposes that the voucher extensions are granted to all customers who request an extension prior to the voucher expiration date for a minimum search time of 180 days. In the current policy, it is applicable only to disabled customers at a maximum term of 150 days. A complete search record is required with a minimum of 10 entries. Families may request a reasonable accommodation if additional search time exceeds the 180 days. With continued efforts to house our customers, HOC recommends adding an additional 30-day extension to the voucher and including all customers under the Housing Choice Voucher Program. This offers more search time and a greater opportunity to secure permanent housing. Chapter 21 details the Housing Choice Voucher Ownership Program. This program is limited to 25 participants. The administration of Housing Choice Voucher Program, Home Ownership Program, is a collaborative effort between Housing Resource Division and Mortgage Finance. Annually, the area median income for Montgomery County is updated. This income is used to determine the minimum income requirement for participation in the home ownership program. The current requirements have increased from $24,000 to $40,000. These recommended changes will ultimately increase the opportunity for residents of Montgomery County to find safe, affordable housing and reduce the risk of homelessness. Thank you.
Thank you very much. It sounds as if the main thrust of this has been the very difficult time people are having finding any housing in Montgomery County, affordable or not, and that it's particularly impacting folks who have vouchers that are looking for affordable housing or who have participated in our FSS program looking to buy their first homes. Thank you very much. Are there any questions from the room? No? We have had no comments submitted to us or questions submitted to us in advance, and no one signed up to speak in advance. Therefore, this will close our 30-day comment period for these administrative plan changes. And we will take them up before the full commission in our meeting starting at 4 p.m. this afternoon. So with that, I would like to close this meeting or this hearing and thank you for your work getting us prepared to consider these changes at the 4 p.m. meeting this afternoon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For the record,